Hi everybody, today I will show you how to make table in Google Sheets. This is pretty easy. You'll have to first of all open the sheets that you want to make the table for. Now, simply select the data that you want to cover in the table. After selecting your data, click on Format option at the top and click Convert to Table. Once you click this button, it will instantly convert your data to a table. Also, you can change the column type in this table. It will help you keep your data structured by setting column types to dates, people, chips, dropdowns, and more. Now, you can also create custom views and personalize your tables. You have the option to click on this drop-down menu and you can edit the column type to a number, text, date, or drop down. You can filter the column, sort the column, group by column, insert more columns, and have more control over your data. This is pretty easy. You can also rename the table, adjust table range, header color, formatting, and much more. So that's how you make table in Google Sheets. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.